Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Here's your latest for Wednesday, October 15th, 2025. Brevis unveils its Pico Prism real-time proving ZK-EVM. The Ethereum Foundation deploys 2400 ETH into Morpho vaults. Jove announces an Ethereum Layer 2 network, and base names now support ENSIP 19. All this and more starts right now. Brevis introduced Pico Prism, a zkVM designed for real-time Ethereum proving. Prism can prove 99.6% of Ethereum Layer 1 blocks in under 12 seconds, with an average proving time of 6.9 seconds using consumer-grade GPU hardware. The milestone allows Ethereum teams to generate validity proofs for entire Layer 1 blocks fast enough to match Ethereum's 12-second block times. Pico Prism outperforms Sync's SP1 Hypercube, which achieved only 93% of blocks under 12 seconds. Brevis, positioning itself as the infinite compute layer, aims to reach 99% real-time proving in under 10 seconds while further reducing hardware and power requirements. The Ethereum Foundation has deployed 2400 Ether and $6 million in stablecoins into the Morpho DeFi lending protocol on Ethereum as part of its ongoing DeFi wallet initiative. The assets are allocated to Morpho's yield-bearing vaults, with the foundation highlighting Morpho's commitment to open-source development. The foundation launched its DeFi wallet earlier this year, which now holds over $200 million in assets. Its on-chain portfolio includes 31,000 ETH deposited into Aave, 10,000 ETH in Spark Protocol, and 4,200 ETH in Compound. Morpho recently introduced Vault v2 on Ethereum, offering instant liquidity and flexible vault allocations. Jove Network, a project developed by Ant Digital, the company behind Alibaba and Alipay, announced plans to launch an Ethereum Layer 2 network focused on real-world assets. The initiative aims to deliver a fast, low-cost, secure, and flexible infrastructure for real-world asset tokenization. Emphasizing trust, transparency, and developer experience, Jove aims to bridge assets and liquidity across multiple chains through the use of data and AI. Its collaboration with Ethereum represents a significant move to expand the Layer 2 ecosystem, with the network to adopt a ZK rollup-based architecture. And lastly, Base implemented ENSIP 19 and successfully migrated over 750,000 base names to the new standard. ENSIP 19 introduces a new system for setting and resolving primary ENS domain names on Layer 2 networks through the Layer 2 reverse register contracts. The upgrade enables base names to resolve seamlessly on any ENS-compatible application. A single base name can serve as a primary name across Ethereum Layer 1 and multiple Layer 2s, improving cross-chain consistency. In other news, new data shows that Ethereum ranks as the #1 ecosystem for new developers. Tidro, a lending protocol powered by Aave v3, goes live on Inc., and Zora launches a $1.9 million creator fund. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io.